Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix hearing yourself in the background even though microphone boost is enabled. So first what you're going to do is open control panel, then click on sound. If you have trouble finding it, make sure that view by is selected small icons so you can find it easier. So click on sound and let's close control panel for now. And first let's check our microphone. So click on recording, click on the microphone and click properties. First open listen and make sure that listen to this device is unchecked. Then if you go to the levels, after you click on levels, as you can see, the microphone boost is on 30 decibels and my microphone works fine. So to fix the issue, go to playback and find the speakers that you're currently using. Click on properties and click on levels. And as you can see, the microphone levels are all the way down. If you see it like this on 100%, make sure just to lower it down, and just in case, I like to mute it. There are also front mic and line in. Lower them down just in case if you have them. And for some reason this still works. You can still hear me. As you can see, even though that's lowered down and muted, my phone still works perfectly fine. So that's how you fix this issue. I hope it helps, and I wish you a good day.